Hey you guys, it's me Kianna coming at you today, and right now I am showing you how this mac and cheese looks. This is the end result. I let it sit for a minute, and now we're going to start slicing some off. That is my mac and cheese. So, if you want to see this recipe, go to the video right before this, and I showed you how you can make this delicious mac and cheese yourself on a budget, and we made this whole pan for about $4. So on that note, thank you all for tuning in. Talk to you guys later. Make sure you thumbs up this video and also the video where I showed you how to make it. Thank you for rolling, and be blessed.